Hi, how are you guys? This is Ted's. This one, 1999 Honda Civic GX model, natural gas, CNG natural gas model. I did a valve cover gasket replace because leakage and painted green color of matching of the side of the lettering is green color, so I painted green. Green is ecology green. It's 5 piece of the screw. Okay, top side, 5 piece only. Screw tied up, and inside the grommet, spark plug grommet also I change it for piece. So I paint it, clean up and paint it, and shining paint. And the last part is scratching, remove with the top sides using sandpaper, and I remove it like this on the logo. And final. Okay, thank you for watching.